Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use blending. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Capcut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Blending modes in Capcut are a powerful tool that allows you to mix layers of video or images in different ways to create various visual effects. Once you open the Capcut PC, all you have to do is go to the create a new project if you want to start from scratch and begin your work. But if you already have an existing project in place, just click on it to begin your work. Now, by adjusting the blend modes, you can control how one layer interacts with the layers beneath it, and I'm going to show you how. I'm gonna go hover to the elements here that I have in place, and I'm going to put this image on top of the video that I am currently having. So I'm gonna increase it like here, and then go to the basic, maybe adjustments. On the basic, go to transform, and then there's an option here that says blend. All right, so right now it has like different modes, and the first is going to be the default. There are several options here. You can use the brighten. You see that? You can turn down the opacity if you want, kind of like creating a different effects for the screen right here. You have darken, you have overlay, hard light, and of course soft light, color burn, linear burn, color dodge, and multiply. So you can have all these, but the thing is, it's up to you. How can you be creative with it? You can turn down the opacity if you want. All right, you can also go to the library if we're in. You can maybe add a video here. Let's try to use this instead of the image. For example, this. Let's try to click the blend mode, to click the brighten, screen, depending on, of course, what you want. Now, let's try to see how it goes in our video. Play it through again if the video was successful in blending the modes. Try to move the play from the very beginning. Click this and click the preview button. And as you can see, we have successfully created a blending mode in Capcut PC. Right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.